Ladies and gentlemen, our next contestant number 3, Miss Sandakini Rimbai. Our next contestant number 4, Miss Ashwini Chetri. Our last but not the least, our beautiful Miss Gargi Nandi. So ladies and gentlemen, these are our 5 gorgeous top 5 finalists of Miss Shillong Selfie Contest 2020. And the crowning moment is finally here. I'll start with the 5th runners-up. Our 5th runners-up is Miss Sanjeevani Sharma. And to do the honors, I would like to call up on stage Miss Sana Pradhan to do the honors. She is the former Miss Shillong finalist of 2018. Ladies and gentlemen, we have Miss Sana Pradhan. I would also like to call Sanjeevani Sharma to step forward. Our 4th runners-up is Miss Harlan Karshieng. And to do the honors, I would like to call up on stage Miss Lashimtimon Karsuton. Miss Lashimtimon was the top 5 finalists of Miss Shillong 2019. And the runners-up of Miss Shillong 2020 Selfie Contest, the third place we have Miss Ashwini Chetri. And to do the honors, I would like to call up on stage Miss Shillong 2019 Simran Chetri. Ladies and gentlemen, Miss Simran Chetri, Miss Shillong 2019. Second runners-up. Here's a fun fact, they're actually sisters. This is actually a beautiful moment. Ladies and gentlemen, Miss Ashwini Chetri, our second runners-up of Miss Shillong 2020 Selfie Contest. And our first runners-up of Miss Shillong Selfie Contest 2020 is Miss Gargi Nandi. And I would like to call up on stage Miss Shillong 2019 first runners-up, Miss Sridamaya Pasa. Ladies and gentlemen, can we have a big round of applause for Miss Sridamaya Pasa, Miss Shillong 2019 first runners-up. And of course, here we have our winner of Miss Shillong Selfie Contest 2020, Miss Sandakini Rimbai. And I would also like to call up on stage to do the honors Miss Akriti Chen, Miss Shillong 2019, as well as the reigning Miss Meghalaya 2020. Ladies and gentlemen, once again, we have our winners, and tonight, we don't have just one winner, we have all the 5 winners, and they have won our hearts. And that is for sure. And I would request all our winners, that is our second runners-up as well as the first and our winner, to take the victory walk. Finally, our Miss Shillong Selfie Queen has got her sash on. I would request the first and the second runners-up to join them as well. And ladies and gentlemen, our winners will also be awarded with cash prizes of 30,000, 20,000 for the first runners-up, and 10,000 for the second runners-up. Can we have the dummy checks, please? 30,000 for Miss Shillong Selfie Queen 2020. 20,000 for our first runners-up, Miss Shillong Selfie Queen 2020. And 10,000 for second runners-up, Miss Shillong Selfie Queen 2020. So ladies and gentlemen, this was an amazing evening for all of us, and we have our winners. Even in these trying times, we have definitely kept ourselves safe, followed the protocols, and organized and conducted a successful show. And it was with the help of the Fashion Society and of all the sponsors. Thank you so much for watching this, for your wonderful